In this course you will learn how to video edit fast using DaVinci Resolve. I've included video files for you to use. This course is for beginners. We'll edit a video step by step and export it for YouTube. It is free software and has been used to edit many Hollywood blockbuster movies. I will show you how to download it and install it. We will create our first project, import media, create proxy files, check out the interface, edit our footage in the edit window, learn how to add basic titles, create transitions, speed ramping, add a voiceover track, level the sound with audio ducking, cover basic colour correction, apply LUTs or lookup tables to our footage, create subtitles, then export the finished product to YouTube. I'll also show you some third-party plugins that you can use to make your footage look stunning. Add cool transitions and amazing titles, plus social media animations. These are all the plugins that I use on a regular basis when I'm making content. If you want to learn how to video edit fast, then this is the course for you. Enroll now.